All right, y'all. Today is February 17th, 2026, and today I'm bringing y'all a trade recap. Today, break even day. I did take one trade, but I want to go over it because I feel like this is a good point to go over about my draw, my bias, and all that. Um, so yeah, solid day. Honestly, PA was moving for a no news Tuesday. We have news the rest of the week, and PA was solid. I ain't gonna lie, PA was solid. It's just NQ just on some bullshit, a little, you know what I'm saying, like a little dumb shit. But I can't be mad at it. I at least I didn't, end the day on a red, and I followed my rules today, which I'm most proud about, and especially this first trade. This first trade that I was looking at, I followed my rules, even though it did play out, and I was kind of pissed about it. It's good. I'm not really mad about it, but let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. So today, I was bearish, low key coming in today. I was bearish, and here's one reason why. So, well, I was kind of 50-50. If I'm being honest, I was like 50-50, and because I was 50-50, I want to see either if this happened, then this is gonna happen, or this happened, this is gonna happen. So this is what I was seeing. Okay. So at open, we had hella draws, right? London, Asia. Let me see if it loads. Sorry, my I don't know why it's taking forever to load. I don't want that one. Okay, right here. And hold on, this is looking kind of clean. Let me see. Hold on, guys, you might get a live trade right here. Let me see. Nah, it's taking too long to inverse. Okay, so we had good draws, right? We had good draws. Asia high above here, right? London high, which is like it hasn't been swept yet, right? Pre-market, as I'm seeing this. Um, and we're inside this hourly gap. We're inside this 4 hour gap. So my condition was what I want to see. If we inverse this hourly gap right here, after we take out London, then I can see us maybe going up higher to Asia, and then even previous day high all the way up here, which also align with an unfilled daily gap as well. So this is what I was looking at if I was going to be bullish. But I said, if we take out London, right? If we take out London and then we hold this 4 hour gap, which is right here, the one I have marked out, we'll hold this 4 hour gap, then I see us going lower, right? And we were right there to London, or right there to Asia, and even ES was right there, made equal highs. So I can see why people were being bullish today. But once I seen this reaction on this 4 hour, and there was still like 10 minutes left, and we are like down here, I'm like, okay, we're obviously not gonna go take out Asia, right? We're pushing lower, and this is what I was looking at for my first entry, which was this 5 minute right here. Okay, this 5 minute right here, bro, we was literally about to inverse this. About to inverse. Let me turn off mine. Yeah, we're literally about to inverse this, and literally, like for the whole 5 minutes, we were like down here about to inverse it, just arranging around here. Literally the last 5 seconds, bro, we come back up and don't inverse it. I'm like, fuck, and I want to get in, like, bro, trust me, I want to get in so bad, but I'm like, bro, this is against my rules. If it flips the other way and I end up getting stopped, I'm finna be hot. I already know I am, so I'm like, you know what? Let me not even take it. And that it ended up working out. You feel me? Look, this happened. This is a candle right here, 950, 949. This next candle, what do? Straight dump, right? And my target was down here. So it straight dumped. It ended up hitting TP in like 3, 4 candles. So I'm like, all right, whatever. Okay. So now, after we took that, hold on, I ain't gonna lie, this 3 minute is looking very fucking clean. Hold on. Hey, I'll be back, y'all. This 3 minute is looking very clean. I gotta get into my trade weight. My bad, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this is looking overly clean. As long as my bears were holding this 15 minute. Yeah, ooh, this looks very clean. I would take this. But my next trade was we tapped into this 5 minute. Let me go and turn on my shit. We tapped into this 5 minute right here, right? Then boom, we tapped this 5 minute. Then a 1 minute or 2 minute inversion right here. 2 minute inversion, and I was taking it down to the swing low. And my thought process doing this, when it was right here about to hit my take profit, I was already break even. Bro, I needed $50 to pass it. So if it would have moved like 3 more points down, I would have got out completely and I would have passed the account. But as y'all see from here, I ended up going all the way back up and hitting my break even spot. So I'm like, bro, I can't even be mad at that. Like, bro, it's just unfortunate, it's just maybe I'm not supposed to hit the, pass my account today. But I mean, this, I ain't gonna lie, I might take this 3 minute. This shit looks overly clean. No bullshit. I'm looking at this. This might be a live trade. Let's see. Okay, and we didn't inverse it. So boom. So we're good. It's not a live trade, okay? I was literally, bro, no bullshit. I was gonna take this, chat. I was gonna take this, but no inverse. So let me just go ahead and get this video over with because, bro, I know I'm gonna take some dumb shit and I wanna get off completely because, like, bro, I just wanna get off. So that was my second trade, was this 2 minute. I know I wasn't really explaining it because I was too busy looking at this, but it was this 2 minute inversion right here. Short, got break even, and that was it. Everything I called out was, perfect. My line on my buy, I just couldn't get an entry, and when I did, I got break even, and that's part of the game. That's what I signed up for. It's days like this where I gotta hold my emotions and hold my rules and just follow my rules, be very strict because days like this when I'm emotional and I try to make back, like, damn, I should have hit. I need $50. Let me make this trade. Let me make it back again. these are the days where I fuck up and where I, end up losing. So this is why I want to end the video early to get off of here, not trade because, I still have the rest of the week. I still have 3 more days, rest of the week, to pass this account. Ain't no rush. There's literally no rush. So yeah, that's all I got for today. If y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all go follow my TikTok at Tone Trades. And if y'all are new here, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep bringing these trade recaps every day. I didn't bring one yesterday. Yesterday was a trade recap. Bank holiday. So I took that day off. But honestly, yesterday looked pretty solid. So I'm gonna start backtesting low key bank holidays and see how they move because the last couple of them, like 3, 4, they've been solid. I ain't gonna lie, they've been solid. And every time I wake up, I look at it and I'm like, bro, I probably could have caught something this day. You feel me? So I might start trading bank holidays. Who knows? I'm gonna back test those first, see how I perform, and then boom. If I perform good in the next bank holiday, I'll trade. But that's all I got for y'all. Yeah, that's all I got. I'll see you on the next one.